In the heart of the savannah, where the sun bathed the golden grasslands, lived a majestic lion. With his thick mane shining like a crown, he walked proudly, his every step exuding confidence. The lion, however, was not just confident, he was boastful. One day, as he strolled through the savannah, he spotted a squirrel scurrying up a tree. "Look at you, so small and insignificant," the lion said, laughing. "What could you possibly do in the grand scheme of things?" The squirrel paused and looked down, his tiny eyes filled with confusion. "I may be small, but I do my part," he replied. The lion smirked and continued his journey. Soon, he encountered a rabbit hopping through the tall grass. "Rabbit, do you ever dream of being as strong as me?" he roared. The rabbit stopped and replied cautiously, "I have my strengths, mighty lion, but they are different from yours." The lion dismissed the rabbit with a wave of his paw. Then he came across a slow-moving tortoise. "What a dull life you lead, tortoise," the lion sneered. "While I roam freely and proudly, you crawl like a rock." The tortoise simply smiled and said, "Even a rock can stop a flood, lion. Strength is not always loud." The lion ignored their words, his ego blinding him to their wisdom. He believed he needed no one, for he was the king of the jungle. Feeling invincible, the lion decided to host a contest to prove his superiority. He announced to the savannah, "All creatures, gather and face the king in a test of strength and skill." The smaller animals, however, were unimpressed. The squirrel shrugged and returned to collecting nuts. The rabbit twitched his nose and hopped away. The tortoise yawned and continued his slow march. Frustrated by their indifference, the lion roared, "Are you all cowards? None of you dare to challenge me." The squirrel looked back briefly and said, "It's not cowardice, lion. We just see no point in competing against your ego." The lion stood alone in the clearing, anger bubbling within him. "Fools," he muttered. "They will regret ignoring me." One day, as the lion wandered further than usual, he came across a patch of land with unusual smells. Driven by curiosity and arrogance, he ventured into the unfamiliar area. Suddenly, the ground beneath him gave way, and he fell into a deep pit. The lion roared in panic as he landed with a heavy thud. The pit was deep, its walls steep and slippery. No matter how hard he tried, the lion couldn't climb out. For the first time, fear crept into his heart. He roared for help, his voice echoing across the savannah. Hours passed, but no one came. The proud lion was now vulnerable, and he realized how isolated his arrogance had made him. Far away, the squirrel, rabbit, and tortoise heard the lion's desperate cries. They exchanged concerned glances. "Should we help him?" the rabbit asked. The tortoise nodded thoughtfully. "He has been unkind, but leaving him in danger would make us no better." The squirrel, quick and clever, said, "Let's go together. We may not be strong individually, but together, we can make a difference." The three animals set out toward the lion's cries. When they reached the pit, they found the lion pacing in distress. Seeing them, the lion's pride faltered. "You came?" he asked, his voice trembling. "We're here to help," the squirrel said firmly. "But you must trust us." The smaller animals quickly devised a plan. The squirrel climbed a tree and brought down a long vine. The rabbit worked to secure it around a sturdy branch, while the tortoise found a heavy rock to anchor the setup. "Lion, grab the vine," the squirrel called out. The lion hesitated. He had never relied on others before. But with no other choice, he gripped the vine tightly. The smaller animals pulled with all their might, their teamwork compensating for their lack of individual strength. The lion slowly rose out of the pit. With one final heave, he climbed to safety and collapsed on the ground, panting. He looked at his rescuers with newfound respect. The lion stood up and approached the smaller animals, his head lowered in shame. "I owe you my life," he said humbly. "I was wrong to look down on you. Despite my behavior, you saved me." The squirrel smiled. "Every creature has a role to play, lion. Even the strongest need help sometimes." The rabbit added, "Strength isn't just about power. It's about knowing when to ask for help." The tortoise said wisely, "True leadership comes from humility, not ego." The lion listened intently, absorbing their words. He realized that his arrogance had blinded him to the value of others. From now on, he declared, "I will respect all creatures and use my strength to protect, not dominate." The lion kept his promise. He became a leader who cared for all animals in the savannah. When a storm knocked down a tree, the lion used his strength to clear the path, but he always worked alongside the smaller animals. The squirrel shared his wisdom, the rabbit brought energy and enthusiasm, and the tortoise taught patience. Together, They transformed the savannah into a harmonious and thriving community. The lion's ego had once divided him from others, but his humility brought unity and peace. Moral of the story: ego divides, but humility unites.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.